If you're tackling furniture flips or weekend wood projects, the SKIL 5-inch random orbital sander offers the right blend of control, power, and convenience. Right out of the box, it feels solid but lightweight, and it comes with 3 sanding discs to get you started. The standout feature? That Cyclonic dust box. It's easy to remove and does a surprisingly good job keeping dust under control. The variable speed dial lets you adjust power depending on the material, which is great if you're moving between soft pine and tougher hardwoods. I also found the rubber grip comfortable for longer sessions. No wrist fatigue here. For smoothing, stripping, or prepping surfaces, this sander delivers clean, swirl-free finishes. Whether you're new to DIY or upgrading your tools, it's a solid choice for the price.